What's popping? So today we are at my dad's restaurant and me too. So we're gonna try the burrito and it's curry wings. Let's first try. Let's first try some French fries. Good. French fries 10 out of 10. Now the burrito. That's good. That's good. 10 out of 10. That's some peach drink.
Peach juice, don't this?
8 out of 10.
I guess no wings. So the wings.
Now the peri wings.
Oh, look at that.
You can't even see it.
And now?
No.
No. That is not how you do it. Okay, how about now?
Yeah. That's good. So let's try it.
Can you vlog it?
Put it on.
Okay.
Mmm. Ten out of 10.
Okay. Okay, so what's happening? This is what I'm eating. So good.
So let's end it with what's popping.